And unfortunately, the message is right in your ears and the truth is right in front of your eyes, but you can't hear it and you can't see it. That means abhagya, unfortunate. A point for study as a sadhaka, we can take note that any verses from the Bhagavatam that are mentioned 2, 3, sometimes 4 times in the Chaitanya Charitamrita, they deserve a gold star. They're very important verses, either for sambandha, abhideya, or prayojan, the foundation and basis of being a devotee and why being a devotee and who is a devotee and who is Krishna. This is sambandha, the relationship. A relationship based on knowledge, a relationship based on faith, a relationship based on taste, a relationship based on attraction, a relationship based on the loving reciprocation that God or Krishna gives with all of his surrendered servitors. This is what's called sambandha. So many factors are required to establish the foundation of a house of bhakti. Submission, acceptance, many things. So verses are there describing that. Then how to walk the path of love? It's called Bhakti Marg. Bhakti Marg means the path of love, the path of learning to love the Absolute and being loved by the Absolute and learning to love the Absolute absolutely. Nadarana janana sundarim kavitamba jagadishakame mama janmane janmane shre bhavatad bhaktiro ituki twai. You are my everything, I have nothing else. There's no flavor, there's no taste, there's no attraction, there's no interest. I solo my stocks, I pulled up my anchor, and I'm sailing on the ocean of your kripa, Karuna Sindhu. Hey Krishna, Karuna Sindhu, Dinabandhu Jagatpate, Gopesha Gopika Kanta, Radha Kanta Namostate. Krishna, I'm freewheeling. I'm sailing on your ocean of kripa and karuna and love. Will I drown? Will I reach the other side? Will I reach the shore of your eternal realm of Nitya Lila? I hope so. Sometimes the waves push me towards your lotus feet, and sometimes the waves, they cast me back on the shore. And then I jump in the ocean again and try again to swim. Like the swimmers on the beach, they want to get out to the waves to ride them, and they have to fight through the crashing of the oncoming waves. And as soon as they stand up, boom, I go under this one, go under, now I'm behind the waves. They're breaking in front of me. And then you can choose one and ride the wave.